Quiet on the set. Roll them on one. Exclusive Nova Scotia properties. Visit us today at novascotiatoday.net. New Brunswick, the gateway to Atlantic Canada. Acreage available to suit your building needs. New Brunswick offers unrivaled scenic views, coastal mountain drives, beaches, and unlimited outdoor activities. Brunswick offers the highest peaks in the Maritimes along the Appalachian mountain range. New Brunswick offers unlimited investment potential and unlimited activities for an adventuresome lifestyle. Fishing, hiking, canoeing, kayaking, biking, birding, whale watching, boating, or driving along one of the many scenic coastal routes is how Nova Scotia and New Brunswick can enhance the quality of your life. It's time for you to be part of this emerging real estate market. You'll fall in love with exclusive Nova Scotia properties. Visit us today at novascotiatoday.net.